So here we have the ATEM Mini control software. So anything that is in red is what is going out to the stream. And if you've got an ATEM Mini Pro, you will see this illustrated on the multi-view as highlighted in red. And then we have the program here, that anything that is in green is going to be in the preview. So that's what's going to come up next once we press the auto button. This is the same on the multi-view. It's what is selected in green is highlighted in green and shows in the preview tab in the top left hand side of your multi-view. So now with the PC selected on program, then is highlighted on the multi-screen there in green, because that's going to come up next when we press the auto button. So now we're going to go over here and press the auto button, and what will go to the YouTube stream, out to the stream, is the PC now. So now we move back to the multi-screen and you can see a full screen image of what's on the PC has gone to the program. And the camera screen has now gone to the preview. We're going to take a look at the transition styles now, which are located here. So we've got mix, dip, wipe and DVE, and we're going to show you now the differences between those styles. So we've got a mix here, blending from one to another. A dip, which has a colour in the middle, in this case white. We've got a wipe, which fades, which wipes from one to the other, and then we've got a DVE, which is a digital visual effect, which is, as you can see from the way that this one is by default set up, is one image being pushed to the side. These can all be edited in the palette to the right hand side, and they can be edited under transitions. And then we can see there mix, dip and DVE. So there we've got the DVE, which is pushing it to the right hand side, so we can choose the direction that is pushed. And pushing downwards there, we can choose that selection. So here we're showing that DVE, pushing and squeezing that box down. Dip, we can dip between a colour or a black or a different camera source or a media player. We'll show you more about the media player in the walkthrough of the software video. We're now going to have a look at changing the settings for in the transitions. We're going to change the mix, which is how long that mix takes, and then the wipe, we can choose the shape of the wipe here. Once we have made the changes we want to do, go to Files in the menu and click on the Save Start Up State, not the Save button, so the Start Up State button. This will then take a snapshot of all the settings you currently have, and then when you power your video mixer down and power it back up again, it will always return to these settings with transitions and the sources that are selected.